Well, good morning. We got picked up some chickens yesterday, so some laying hens, probably some old hatchery specials, but you know, we'll get eggs quick that way, so we can work on making them healthier. Don't open the door yet, boys. Making them healthier, and they're missing some feathers, and definitely could use some rehab, but we'll fix that up. Oh, okay. Obi, if you're wondering what Obi's talking about, it's really cold. We were kind of worried about him huddling up in his trailer and maybe killing one or two, but he says they're all alive, so that's a plus. I think we're gonna probably have some eggs, but let me show you the chickens, and we'll see if we got any eggs laying in here. I know we gotta feed them. Like I said, we gotta rehab on, but they'll be good in a couple days. Get some good feed in them, some good water. They'll be happy. We're gonna get these guys fed and see if there's any eggs in the trailer yet, and get on a few other things for the day.
She said the video was one part when she come out here.
The video might shut off.